wine. Food is one of those things that bring people together. I think the social aspect of it, it is part of our nature. I visit many countries to study, taking many courses, and fortunately for me, the wine is something that you never know everything about it because it changes constantly. Or I think you learn a lot about wine by tasting the wine. There's new producers coming on board all the time, and that makes my world just delightful. My function is to spread what I know in a way that comes across as it's fun, let's learn.